Welcome to Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Landra, a premium institute renowned for its exceptional academic environment and dynamic campus life.
And our legacy is being continued since 2001. So yeah, we are serving since more than 2 decades.
Here, we blend modern infrastructure with lush green environment and enriching learning experience.
Now let's go and explore our dynamic college. So this is the most antiquated block of our institution. This is Block 1, aka C.V. Raman block.
This beautifully preserved building stands as a testament for our commitment to learning and experiences and moreover the knowledge of all over the students.
The students are really brilliant here. They know how to combine hardware with software and make the best solution.
So we have library in our every block, but this is our main library. As it is the enormous library in our college, we have books from all genres in this library, including fictional as well as non-fiction. And also it is a digital library because it has desktops present for our students so that they could work here or even practice their coding skills.
As for the technical aspect, this is the technical lab. The students find the cost-effective solution to all the prevailing problems of the society. The projects that have been made by our alumni have also been stored here. The projects include various technologies and tools like the Arduino brain sensor, and they know how to combine all this and make the best out of waste. You can see this is a robo-waiter. It uses the IR sensor technology to follow the black pathway.
In our Department of Electronics and Communication English, we have different type of club, societies and student chapter where students learn and develop their careers into electronics and know more industrial relationships. Moreover, we have seminar hall where we have guest lectures, conferences and more student chapters where students learn and gather more information about their careers, their industries. Included in our guest lecture, we have projects that were made by our students and alumni. These projects provide complete knowledge about how electronics work and how communication English is more important for students who delve and come here for more learnings and gathering their informations. Next, delve into our block 2, that is APJ Abdul Kalam block. This department is basically dedicated to a mechanical engineering student, a dynamic space where students learn about theories and head-on experiences on projects, labs and workshops. Moving to this block here, in the memory of brief of Captain late Dikshant Thapa, who was a well-known student of engineering department, his selfless service on call of duty was recognized by the government and supreme sacrifices of the officer has been classified as battle casualty.
As you all can see, we are now in mechanical block. This block is made for automobile enthusiasts. इस block 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ car building ਸਿਖਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ, engine ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਸਿਖਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ, ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਛੋਟੇ-ਛੋਟੇ ਕੰਮ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਡੈਮ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਵਰਕ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਡੈਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਮੋਟਰ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਇਸ block 'ਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਸ block 'ਚ ਛੋਟੇ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਵੱਡੇ ਪਾਰਟਸ ਤੱਕ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਕਾਰ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ, ट्रैक्टर, ट्रक्स, हर चीज़ को।
तो अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ एक CNC मशीन। किसी भी मॉड्यूल को सेंटरिंग, टर्निंग और एक फिनिशिंग प्रोवाइड करने के लिए हम इसे यूज़ करते हैं। और भी काफ़ी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जिससे हम कर सकते हैं, जैसे ड्रिलिंग हो गया, सरफेस हो गया, लेकिन ये मशीन एक एडवांस मशीन है और सारे प्रोसेसेस को कंबाइन करती है। एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स एन एंड टू द इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट। वी गेव यू ग्लिम्स ऑफ द इनोवेशन एंड अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट आवर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफर्स। इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, डू नॉट हेजिटेट टू रीच आउट। Keep exploring, stay curious. Thank you for watching us and stay tuned for more updates.